I love Oldfields because it's genuinely an amazing community where I have truly been able to grow and to be my true self, find leadership, and find my people. I definitely can mark my growth here as a new student here. I definitely came in really shy, really quiet and reserved, and I have been able to grow my voice. My confidence at Oldfields has definitely grown, even if it's on like a sports team, being varsity softball captain and going on the team with a completely new group of people where I'm able to lead a whole team into games even when they're hard. My confidence has definitely grown there, but even in the classroom, I'm not afraid to raise my hand and speak my point even if it's different than others. I'm able to ask teachers questions, which before Oldfields I would find it really intimidating, but my confidence has grown to where I'm not afraid to go ask about extra help. My favorite class at Oldfields has been the Multicultural Experience in America Then and Now with Miss Littlefield, and that class has truly changed my perspective and way of thinking because not only do we touch on current social subjects, but we also are able to really grow in our discussion skills, and as a class we've grown so tight together. We're able to bounce ideas back and forth and really get into deep conversation. My favorite leadership role in this community is that I'm a prefect in the dorms, so I'm able to help plan events for bonding, I'm able to do room checks, and I'm just able to grow a lot closer to the people in my dorm. Oldfields definitely has prepared me for college, whether it's from study skills, even managing my schedule, and even challenging myself in the classroom. It has definitely set me up for the college rigor. I would say to someone considering Oldfields that be ready to go out of your comfort zone. Here you're presented with so many opportunities and so many experiences that will help you outside of high school and even in high school that really change your perspective and get you ready to just do more.